Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade rock candy. First, gather your supplies: 6 cups of granulated sugar, 2 cups of water, a medium saucepan, and some clean glass jars. You'll also need wooden skewers or string and clothespins to suspend them. This simple process is a fun kitchen experiment that yields delicious results. Next, we'll prepare the sugar solution. In your saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Gradually add 6 cups of sugar, stirring constantly until it completely dissolves. This creates a supersaturated solution, essential for crystal formation. Allow the syrup to cool for about 20 minutes. While it cools, dip your skewers or string in water, then roll them in sugar and let them dry for at least an hour to create seed crystals. Now for the exciting part: growing your candy. Carefully pour the slightly cooled sugar solution into your clean, warm jars. Using clothespins, suspend your sugar-coated skewers or string into the syrup. Ensure they hang at least 1 1/2 inches from the bottom and sides of the jar to prevent crystals from adhering to the glass. Place the jars in an undisturbed, cool location. You'll start seeing crystals in 2 to 4 hours, with full growth taking 3 to 7 days. Once your rock candy has grown to your desired size, carefully remove it from the jars and let it dry completely on parchment paper for about 4 hours. You can add clear flavoring extracts and gel food coloring to your syrup for custom tastes and vibrant hues. Remember, the color will be paler than the syrup, so use a bit more for deeper shades. For more great deals, including a link to those amazing Darn Tough socks, check out the description below. Enjoy your beautiful, homemade rock candy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.